Welcome to Yes to Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1956 to discover the chocolate martini. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yes to Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. So before we start, I need to let you know that I love Valentine's Day. It's just another reason to celebrate love, and I'm just a big old sap. So today is the first part of a two-part Valentine's Day series. And of course, I'm gonna do a cocktail for you right now that is sure to bring out the love in both of you. And next, we're gonna celebrate with a dessert. But let's get started on this. So today we're doing a chocolate martini. Oh my goodness. Really quick history of chocolate martini. I bet you didn't know this. Who invented the chocolate martini? 3, 2, 1. Ready? Elizabeth Taylor and Rock Hudson, while they were filming the movie Giant in 1956. They loved martinis, they loved chocolate, they decided to put it together and the chocolate martini was born. So since then, the chocolate martini has taken on hundreds of variations, but this is the original that they came up with. Okay, so let's get started. So this is gonna make one martini, but feel free to double, triple, quadruple, whatever you like. So I've got my martini glass right here, looking all pretty, but we're gonna make it prettier by starting with chocolate syrup. And in it goes. We're just gonna drizzle it all around, just like that, just to make a pretty little swirl. And then we're gonna let that start dripping down the sides and take that out of the way for now. Enter 1 shaker with ice in it. You don't have to fill it all the way. Okay, so now here's all you do. You start with 1 shot of Kahlua or any other coffee flavored liqueur. And then we're gonna do 2 shots of vodka. There's 1. And I've got my cute little pitcher, which has exactly 1 shot in it. Look at that. And there's 2. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. See where we're going? I mean, I know, lately cream's been added and ice cream and all kinds of different things, and actually different liqueurs also. Instead of Kahlua, people have started using creme de cacao, maybe some Irish cream, some chocolate liqueur, but guys, you gotta try the original. All that's left is to put our shaker together, get that out of the way, and give it a good gentle shake. You don't want to shake too hard because you're going to get ice chips. And there's not a whole love in drinking ice chips. Back in comes our martini glass. And here is our martini. And now the only thing left, we got to make it pretty and loving. So you want to put a little strawberry right on the edge of your martini. And there you go, Valentine's Day in a glass. There is just nothing easier, nothing better, and I gotta tell you, even if you're not celebrating Valentine's Day, it is the perfect cocktail for just you. So toast to yourself, give yourself a hug, and say Happy Valentine's Day. No matter what, this drink is amazing. So thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Rock, for starting this amazing drink. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy drinking the past. I'll see you in the next video.